In this video, we are going to see that if your PDF files are not opening directly from Microsoft Edge, here's a quick fix for you. Now, guys, if you don't already know it, nowadays you don't need a PDF viewer externally. You can just access it directly linked to Microsoft Edge. So here I have this PDF document. Once I open it, as you can see, it has opened it in Microsoft Edge with all the tools that are necessary. So we can also work on this PDF document if you want to. But if you're unable to open this, so what you can do is, let's say that you have this PDF document, just right click on it. If it is not opening with PDF, go to the open with option. If you see it on the list, that's good. But if you don't, click on choose an other app. And here is the default application, or you will see this in the suggested applications basically. So just select that particular browser that you want to open it from and click on always. And from this point onwards, it will always open this PDF document directly in Microsoft Edge. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.